neck and neck, heading into the 200-meter mark. 3 miles, and it's come down to the final 200 meters. Let's make some noise. Neither athlete's giving up an inch.
Oh, yeah.
This is where all their training, all their speed work comes in. They're side by side. Pogler striding out. Schlenker falling behind. How about a round of applause for a great race?
Top 17. Jeez.
Unofficially, Pogler, Warrenville South won. Schlenker, Batavia, runner-up.
Come on, Caitlin!
Abbott, St. Charles East in third. And then there's a lot of great races on the track to finish up, figure out the team scores. Let's cheer them down the stretch.
Oh no, oh no. Come on, Caitlin! Go, Kate! Go, Caitlin! Let's go, Caitlin! Oh my God! Let's go, Kate! Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Go, Sarah! Come on, Sarah! Go, Sarah! Go, Sarah! Nice job! Come on, Sarah! Go, Sarah! Bring it in, Sarah! Good job! Wow! There you go. Here she comes. Oh my God! Go, Andrea! He wants to get sub 19. Hey, Lauren! Go, Lauren! Come on, Lily! Oh, she got this. Can you do that? Go, Lily! Lily, come on, Lily! She knows the clap. She's got to sprint this.
Once again, many critical races between individuals on the track for those 4th place finishes, 5th place finishes. One place can make the difference between a team championship or a runner-up. Let's cheer all